Hi everyone, my name is Kaylee and today I will be teaching first grade science, and I got this teacher's edition from a first grade teacher that I work with. So she was nice enough to let me borrow this for the assignment today. So let's get started. Hi class, yesterday we talked about how does a frog grow. We learned the life cycle of a frog. So today we're going to review that life cycle. I went ahead and printed off the life cycle of a frog, and a life cycle shows how animals are always growing and changing. So a frog actually starts out as an egg. This is what it becomes. And then later on, it turns into a tadpole. And a tadpole lives in water, and it has a little tail right here. And then as the weeks pass, the tadpole grows its back legs at 5 weeks, and at 9 weeks, it grows its front legs. Then move forward just a little bit more, and you have a young frog. And it's still growing, and it's getting stronger. Its tail's kind of slimming. Its legs are getting stronger. And then you finally have an adult frog. Adult frog lives on land and water. So here is your life cycle of a frog. Begins an egg, goes to a tadpole, grows its legs, gets stronger, and then here we are at an adult frog. The next thing I have for you today is a worksheet, and it says, how does a frog grow? We will do this together as a class. First of all, we're going to kind of predict, and then we will go over them again to see if you have the right answers. A frog begins as a tadpole. True or false? Not true. A tadpole grows front and back legs? Not true. I think we should maybe go over that one here. A tadpole changes into a young frog? True. Yes, you are correct. So let's go over them as a class to make sure we all have the right answers and understand how a frog grows. A frog begins as a tadpole. Yes, not true. You are correct. A tadpole grows front and back legs. Yes, true. A tadpole changes into a young frog. Yes, you are right. So before we head off today, let's review this life cycle one more time. Do you guys like frogs? Are they gross? So, a frog begins as an egg, then out swims a tadpole with a tail. 5 weeks it grows its back legs. 9 weeks it grows its front legs, and then it becomes a young frog, and it's just trying to get stronger. It's still growing, and then becomes an adult frog, and it lives on both land and water. It's that thing you'll see hopping on land. Thanks for the lesson.